She needs his help.
It's not distracting at all having someone film you while you drive.
It's not?
No.
Okay, good. Hey, are you allowed to be up there? Huh? Hey, Beatrice, get down. Get down. Hey. Oh, good girl. Get down. There you go.
Smelling good today.
Uh-oh, changed her mind.
I think she's really thirsty.
Oh yeah, let's get her some water. Hey, welcome back to the cabin, everyone. So the goal for today, we have a couple goals, but the big goal is to get the floor down in the loft. So,
And clean.
oh yeah, and clean.
Clean. What do you think?
Oh jeez.
Bad idea. Bad idea.
Let's not do-
that was my fault.
Let's not do that again.
I
Alright, well Sarah's getting set up down there. I need to get these wires zip tied and then get this filled in, and then we can start the flooring.
Someone is feasting on the mud.
She's eating mud.
Yep.
Special dog. I've got 2 zip ties around this, and now I've got these little wire clamps that I'm just going to use to hold this up against the wall here. Lift it up in case I ever shoot any screws through this. Alright, there we go. Good. All right, that's just a bit more orderly. So now we can get this bay covered up and then get started on the flooring. Alright, 3 3/8 from this groove. Same as it was over there.
Oh, God.
Sorry.
That's yours.
That one's mine?
Yeah.
Thank you. I'll start it. All right, so there's the chalk line. I don't think it showed up on the camera before. And there's the other side. So many windows here. Ready?
The good thing is I didn't get any on me.
It's all over here.
I know.
God.
I didn't get nothing now. You think it's doing anything?
I don't think it's really doing anything. Alright, well it cut came out pretty good, but it was pretty miserable cutting it. And now I'll have to finish up with a handsaw. Sleeping. 5 seconds of zoomies.
Does stress her out a lot. I'll take her for a walk after tea.
That's why I need you help. Alright, there we go. Alright, we got this all in. So now we're gonna start getting this area situated up here. Come on, focus. There we go. You can kind of see it. It's really tough to film up here. It's really small, and my lens isn't that wide, so.
Hey Mike,
Yeah.
do you remember grabbing the taco seasoning?
No, I never did.
It was...
What's my kid doing?
Is this the hot dog cutter?
Yeah. So you can, it's an all-use knife at this point.
I thought you used it for the jalapenos.
I got this in the comments section.
Et voila.
There you go. Thank you whoever made that comment. I forget who it was. You're in the camera shot, buddy. Now you're putting your butt in the camera shot. It's a little crooked, huh?
Ow. How many times will I hit my head up here? Hard knowing which way that Comfort Deluxe mattress goes. Nothing but the best for our guests. Backed myself into a corner.
What do you think about all those tips about starting in the back corner when making the bed? I said, what do you think about all those tips about starting in the back corner when making the bed?
Well, with most things, I like going for style points, so.
All right, so this is about how this will stay for a while. I've still got to do a little bit of electrical work in the wall that I'm honestly not going to get to for a while. So I can't insulate or put the panels up, but it's going to be nice to have these cots out of the way. They've just been sitting in the utility room, and we had this rug that we repurposed. It was in our house, and
now we rest.
yeah. All right, everyone. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. Hey, buddy. Sorry to wake you up, buddy.
Work hard, play hard.